A recent graduate moving to a new job collected a sum of monthly rent dollars and size square feet of two-bedroom apartments in one area of a city. So the two variables are given and their number values are given. 1 bed, 2 beds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beds, 2 variables, 2 samples, 8 beds. This is sample size n. 4 computer outputs are given below. Choose the correct output to answer the following questions. Here this is Excel output named labeled A1. From the problem statement, you have recorded variable names and number of pairs. So variable, this is n, correct. And here in this size. So this is simple linear regression output. You should know that here regression. But in simple regression, what is x, what is y, not given, so not sure. But usually you want to estimate rent using size, usually. So temporarily, you assume that size is x independent variable. You want to predict rent y like this. After that, in the following questions, you check if this is true or false. Okay. So if this is true, this is seems correct output. To make sure, check A2. A2 is 8 here, and is 8 correct? Variable, this is, in our opinion, we take this as y. So this is not the correct output. A3 here, total, this is m minus 1. You have to remember the structure of simple regression tables. Okay, so m minus 1, number of observations, and correct dependent variable size. This shouldn't be independent variable. X is red. This is not correct according to our opinion. So A2 and A3 seems incorrect. Let's move to another one. A4, dependent variable y is x, y is red. This is correct. Number of observations used 6. This is false, right? N must be 8. Therefore, we have to use A1. A1. Use A1. What is the regression of monthly on rent of apartment? The format is y hat is equal to a plus b times x. A is this one, b is this one, x is size. 16. What is the regression of monthly rent on size of apartment? Therefore, size is x, predictor, independent variable. Size rent is y, predicted variable to predict. So the equation is y hat is equal to a plus b times x. A is here negative 315 point something here. B is 1.18 something, and size is x. So you just write this equation. 17, predict the monthly rent. So you must predict y hat. So y hat is a plus bx, a plus bx. So what is x? 1025 square feet. Check the unit. Square feet size is the square feet, so correct. So you just need to enter 1025 in x. Okay, compute by calculator. Negative 315.25 4766 plus 1.1875604 times 1025 is equal to, then you will get this one, nearest dollars. Interpret the slope. Slope is b. B is 1.188. B is, you see, square. B is y is rent $750. Dollars. So how to interpret? In this equation in 16, if you increase x by 1 unit, for instance, from 10 to, from 1000 to 1001, like this, 1000 to 1001. If you increase 1 unit in x, then y will increase by 1.188 units. Y unit is $1.188. Therefore you get this way. Interpret the coefficient of determination r square. So r square is, where is r square? R square is given here. So this is 88.73, nearest, over 100. So this is 88.73%. Therefore here 88.73%. So the format is regression model. Model means this equation. Regression equation explain 100 r square percent of the total variation in y. Okay, this is the format. 20 test to determine whether there is a significant linear relationship between y and x. So in this output, you know this equation. So for the population, y hat is alpha plus beta x. For the population, we don't know what alpha is, beta is, what's y-intercept is, slope is. Our estimates are only a and b, negative 315 and 1.1. So in the population, if beta is 0, then x will disappear. We don't see dependence of y on x, no relationship. If beta is not 0, then we see relationship. If we change x, y hat will change. Therefore, HO is beta 0, H is beta not 0. Critical value reading is the same as row dash, and naturally alpha by 0.5. N is 8, n minus 2. You read at n minus 2, 2 till plus and minus. You go to T table and read. The value of test statistic is, how come this? You go to this, this is x, this is b, SB standard error, T stat here. 68738. You just copy p value, 2 till p value here, 0.000467. 2 till test. If you do 1 till test, suppose beta positive also, then you divide 0.0467 by 2 and show here. Okay, next, the last one, decision conclusion. 1 consonant. Yeah? Therefore, B value is smaller than alpha. Reject HO. HO is rejected. So about HO, the decision is conclusion is HA. So you say that HO is false, and conclusion is that HA is true. So that is beta is not 0. That is no. There is a significant linear relationship. So you get this answer.